So how you can empty dustbin on Xiaomi G20 Lite. So I got here my vacuum cleaner and locate the dustbin, which is at the bottom of this vacuum cleaner. And if your dustbin is full, all we're gonna have to do is to just push this little trash bin icon and just open the lid. And now you can empty the dustbin. If you want to close the dustbin, you can just push until it's click and it's done. The most convenient way how you can do it is to just grab the tube into your left hand and then with your right hand push the button. I cannot do it right now because I'm holding the camera, but over the trash bin, just grab it like this. You can also use it and do it with one hand if you have a large thumb, and push it and empty the trash bin. So it's pretty easy. Then make sure to close it so you will be ready in next cleaning session. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe and see you next time.